Hey, what is up guys? Ricardo from Flow Designs again, and today I'll be showing you guys all the accessories that Flow Design has to offer and how they work. Today I'll be demonstrating how all our accessories work on this Mark 6 GDI front splitter. And don't worry guys, our accessories aren't only made for the Mark 6 GDI. Most of our newer products can run our accessories, such as this S3. As you see right here, we have all the Flow Designs accessories, including the front extensions, front winglets, side winglets, and rear winglets. As you guys can see right here, all of our products that can run our accessories all come with these brass fittings from factory. So all you gotta do is just bolt your accessories straight on. These accessories are simple to install. You don't need to jack up your car, all you need is an Allen key. These flow extensions and winglets are so easy to install. All you have to do is get your extension and winglets, line up the holes, and using the supplied bolts, screw them in with an Allen key. All you have to do is just pinch tight them, no need to over tighten them. And you know what's even better than this easy install? All our accessories are fully adjustable, so you can adjust the winglets and extensions to your own preference. All you gotta do is slightly unscrew the bolt, move your winglets or extensions to how you like it, then tighten the bolt again. Just remember guys, do not over tighten these bolts. The flow accessories will not move or flap while driving. And also guys, we sell all these accessories separately, so you can purchase them to your own liking and they're easily replaceable. So guys, that's the Flow Designs accessory line. Hop onto our website right now, have a browse of all our accessories and products. And guys, make sure to watch our other Flow Design videos, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.